and welcome to Family Research Tips. I'm Holly Browning from the Lebanon Public Library. Thanks for joining me today. So today I had a lot of fun creating this show for you. Basically what I have is I've created little pieces of design of family keepsakes that you can actually display as decor in your house. And these are really, really fun and inexpensive ways that you can display things that you would normally stow away or put in a treasure chest or down at the bottom of somewhere, and you just bring them out to show every once in a while. With this, you can have them out and proudly display them in your home, and they create really pretty pieces. The first thing that I want to show you is these little cute mason jars. And this is a really, really neat way to basically display your old family photos, things that you want people to see, and just in a very unique way. And what I did was I basically just took old mason jars, just old glass jars. I made a copy of the photos. You're not going to want to use your original just in case anything happens to it, and you're actually going to be using Mod Podge on it. So I would suggest making a copy. Basically, all you have to do is you just put a little bit of the Mod Podge, which is a crafter's masterpiece. It's like glue, but it's clear. Put that on the picture, you roll it up and you put it in and you kind of flatten it out. And then on the back here, you can put any kind of design that you want. Anything that goes maybe with the picture or the person. You can buttons, seashells, marbles, potpourri, anything of that nature. And as you can see, I have these little LED lights that I put in them. And they create a special glow, especially at night, and they just make the pictures kind of pop out. And they're on my mantelpiece, and I love it. I think they're really beautiful. And the best part about it is you don't have to have a degree in interior design, really, to do any of these. And you're not going to be spending a lot of money. So that's why I just kind of wanted to show you really fun ways that, you can display the things that make you proud, your keepsakes, or things that your heritage. So the second item I wanted to show you are these little books down here. Now these books are a really fun way to display old linens or doilies that you may have. Most people kind of put those in like a cedar chest. There's not a lot of ways that you can really display those. And this, when I found this, I found it on the DIY Mommy, which she did a show about family keepsakes, and I thought this was the best idea. It combines two of my favorite things, which is books and, family heritage. And basically what she did is she put, covered the book in whatever color you want, and she used chalk paint. I found out the hard way that it has to be chalk paint. It cannot be acrylic paint because it'll make it runny. It doesn't give it the consistency and the smoothness that chalk paint does. Chalk paint's really thick, so you're going to want to use definitely chalk paint for this. You can use any color you'd like. I actually did the lavender color on this, and then I did two colors on this. With the spine was black, and then I did kind of the tan on here. And you kind of stretch the doily out, basically with Mod Podge, again, like I said, crafter's favorite. And you just kind of stretch it out and put the Mod Podge underneath, and then you do a layer over top, and it dries that way. And then you have these little beautiful pieces that you can kind of display. I've seen people put ribbons around them and just kind of set them on mantelpieces. It's a really pretty idea and a way to kind of keep those displayed. My last thing that I want to show you is kind of my favorite. It's basically what I did was, this is a shadow box frame, and you can buy these anywhere, Walmart, Target. I bought mine at Walmart. It was under $10. And it's just a frame that has like a deeper, where you can put actual, instead of just images, you can put actual things in there. This was a article that I wrote for a little publication that was, family history type thing. And I put the article in here, and I put things relating to the article that belonged to my great-great-grandmother. And it hangs on my wall, and it's just kind of a reminder of what I had published. And it's just one of my favorite pieces to look at and talk about in my house. So those are 3 of inexpensive and fun ways that you can take little pieces of your family and display them around your house to show people and to talk about and to keep your family heritage going. And join me in 2 weeks, and I'll be back, and I will have 3 more really great design ideas for your house. So I will see you then. Thanks for watching.